guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own custom URL. Now it's super simple. All you have to do is go to YouTube, and if you see this is actually not your custom URL. Wait, let me just pause this. This is not your custom URL. This is a URL that directs you to your channel. Now you can customize this by number one, hitting your picture over here. Just click that, then go to settings, and then you can see channel status and features. Then from here, first of all, you need to get yourself verified, and yeah, you should get yourself verified. You should also make all these enabled, and if you're under 1,000 subscribers, then this and monetization, embedded live streams, and channel memberships cannot be available, but custom URLs are over here. All you have to do is click this, and once you already click that, you will get to this. Now as you can see, this is very different. This is your custom URL. Now I already made it, but if you guys want to make it, all you have to do is when you click this, it'll give you an option where you have to choose what your name will be. Now usually it will be youtube.com/c/ and then your name on YouTube. But if your name is shared by many others, like supposing my old channel Technology Master, many people had that name, so you can put like your birthday at the back, or like some words, some letters at the back. But anyways, if you copy this, okay, let me just copy this and then go to Google and you put this, it will take you directly to your channel. And this is a super simple URL that you can use. Now some people actually, they use it at the end of their videos, where after the end screen it'll just be pitch black, and then they'll put youtube.com/c/ and then their name. Now if people were to click that, nothing would happen because it's on video, but if they put it in the link in the description, or someone actually typed this youtube.com/c and then the creator's name, they would actually go to their channel page, and then from there they can see all their different videos and their playlists and their about section, which is also available all in their smartphones. And by the way, I did change my about section, my description, and as you can see, this is my description. I'm just gonna give you guys some time so you can just read this over here. Yeah, so yes, I did change this. I hope it's better. If you guys like the previous one, let me know. If you guys like this one also, let me know. And this is the channel status, your views when you joined, and yeah. So you can also click customize channel here, and you can customize your channel for, like, if you want to put an email for business inquiries, or you want to put a video, you want to organize this and everything, you want to put a channel trailer, you want to put different sections, different playlists, or anything like that, you can change it. You can customize your logo, your channel art. You can do lots of stuff with this. So yes guys, do use your custom URL, which is very important for you now, and do put it at the end of your video. Thank you guys for watching. If you are interested in videos like this, don't forget to click another video on my end screen coming up.